Do you know the amazing benefits of eating zucchini daily? Let's talk about this humble yet powerful vegetable. Zucchini, also known as courgette, is a summer squash that's renowned for its versatility in cuisines around the globe. Whether it's grilled for a barbecue, sautéed for a stir-fry, or spiralized for a low-carb pasta substitute, this green wonder is a culinary chameleon. But beyond its kitchen prowess, zucchini packs a nutritional punch. Let's dive into the 7 powerful reasons why you should make zucchini a staple in your diet. First up, zucchini is a heart-friendly powerhouse. This versatile vegetable is packed with fiber, a nutrient known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels. Let's not forget the essential minerals it contains, magnesium and potassium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in nerve and muscle function, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. The combination of these nutrients makes zucchini a wonderful addition to your diet if you're aiming for heart health. So, for a strong heart, zucchini is a must. Looking to shed some pounds? Zucchini can help. This versatile veggie is low in calories with just about 25 in a medium-sized zucchini. But it doesn't stop there. Zucchini is also high in water content, making up over 90% of its weight. This means it can help you feel full and satisfied without loading you up on calories. It's a great way to add bulk to your meals without adding to your waistline. Zucchini can be your best friend in your weight loss journey. Want to keep your eyesight sharp? Zucchini can help with that too. This unassuming vegetable is packed with vitamin A, an essential nutrient that supports good vision. It's also a great source of lutein, a carotenoid that promotes eye health and can help ward off age-related macular degeneration. Plus, the high water content of zucchini helps keep your eyes hydrated, reducing the risk of dry eye syndrome. So, if you're looking to maintain crystal clear vision, don't forget to eat your zucchini. Having trouble with digestion? Zucchini can come to your rescue. This humble vegetable is a powerhouse of dietary fiber, providing around 1 gram per cup. Fiber is your digestive system's best friend, helping food move smoothly through your gut and preventing unpleasant issues like constipation. Moreover, fiber also promotes a feeling of fullness, preventing overeating. So if digestive woes have been plaguing you, it might be time to befriend the zucchini. For a smooth digestive system, include zucchini in your diet. Worried about blood sugar levels? Zucchini has got you covered. This versatile vegetable is a powerhouse of fiber, which slows down digestion and prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar. But that's not all. Zucchini also boasts a low glycemic load, meaning it has a minimal impact on your blood sugar levels. So, whether you're managing diabetes or simply aiming for a balanced diet, incorporating zucchini can be a smart choice. Keep your blood sugar levels in check with zucchini. Want glowing skin? Zucchini can help you achieve that. This humble green vegetable is packed with antioxidants, the body's secret weapon against skin damage. Antioxidants combat the harmful effects of free radicals, which can cause premature aging. They also assist in skin repair, keeping your skin looking fresh and rejuvenated. Zucchini's high water content also aids in hydrating your skin, giving it a natural glow. So if you're aiming for that radiant look, don't forget to incorporate zucchini into your meals. For glowing skin, make zucchini a part of your diet. In conclusion, zucchini is a versatile vegetable with numerous health benefits. Let's recap. It supports heart health, aids in weight loss, and promotes eye health. It's a champion for your digestive system and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. And let's not forget, it's a boon for your skin too. 7 powerful reasons to embrace this green powerhouse daily. Make zucchini a part of your daily diet, and your body will thank you for it.